Okay, I'm going to make an amendment to this problem. Call that 64x to the 9th. I want to deal with an issue that happens to some people. Let's do one other thing also, another amendment. Make it 27a cubed. Need to change that before next year. All right, so we're going to factor 27a cubed minus 64x to the 9th. Notice it is 27, 3 cubed, 64, 4 cubed. A to the third power, 3 divided by 3, x to the 9th, 9 divided by 3. So it is a difference of cubes. Okay? So, if I want to factor this thing, first job is to factor the first parentheses. It's two objects, the cube roots of both objects that I'm looking at. The cube root of 27 is 3. The cube root of a cubed is a. The cube root of 64 is 4. The cube root of x to the 9th is x to the third. When you're cube rooting a power, you're simply dividing that power by 3. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Cube root of 27 is 3. Cube root of 64 is 4. Again, I'm not going to worry about the sign yet. We'll do that in a minute. Okay? So here's where issues start happening. On the second and third terms here, we're going to see those issues happening. And I just want to try and nip it in the bud right now so that you don't create bad habits before. Basically, if you create a bad habit, then all of a sudden you're practicing the wrong thing. And then eventually you have to break the bad habit before you can fix it. So I'm going to try and take this head on before we start messing up. The first object here is just the first object here squared, right? 3 squared is 9, a squared is a squared. Nothing weird about that. It's just like the last problem. It's pretty simple, right? The second thing, we're supposed to multiply these two things together. Now, I've seen people put 3a 4x cubed. Okay, it's 3a times 4x cubed, which is 12ax cubed. So make sure that if you have multiple numbers like this, that those numbers actually multiply together. Don't leave them unmultiplied. That's more picky on my part. That's an actually easy thing to fix. Just, hey, next time multiply those together. That's not that bad of a habit. It's broken very easily. It's the next one that's going to mess people up. Okay? We're supposed to square this with this last object. 4 squared is 16. X cubed squared is x to the 6th power, not x to the 9th power. Be very, very careful here. When you deal with powers, we're taking 4x cubed to the 2nd power. The rule says that we take 4 to the 1 times 2, x to the 3 times 2. 4 to the 2nd is 16. So we're actually just squaring the 4, but for the x, we're multiplying the powers, not squaring the power. I've seen people put x to the 9th there, which is wrong. All right, finally, we've got to put signs in again. It's a minus to start off with. Same sign goes here, opposite sign goes there, plus goes there. It's either plus minus plus or minus plus plus. Those are the sign ways that you can, signs that you can have in the problem. But again, if you go same sign, opposite sign, plus, it's pretty easy to get in there right every time.